Hello guys, this problem I have especially picked to give a concept clarity while joining two tables which are having multiple condition in the on clause. So let us first read the problem, then while exploring the all possible solution, I am going to explain the importance of applying multiple condition instead of single condition in the on clause. So here we have sales table which is having three columns: sales date, fruit and sold number. And sales date and fruit is making primary key of this table. Basically it is a composite key which is needed to identify each unique row. This table contains the sales of apple and orange sold for each day, and our aim is to write the SQL query to report the differences between the number of apple and orange sold for each day. And the return result table order by sales date in the format of this one. And here is a sample table and sample result. Suppose on 1st May the apple sold is 10 and on the same date the orange sold is 8. Then we need the difference between apple and orange. So here on first date the difference is 2. Likewise on the second apple is 15 but orange is also 15, so we are getting result as a 0. Similarly, for other dates, I hope you got the problem statement. I know some of you might be thinking, what is the problem in that? It can be easily solved using case. But as I told you, my aim is not to just find a solution, rather I want to explain how to apply multiple condition in the on clause while joining two table. That's why I picked this problem. So let us jump to the solution window. So let us first explore the possible and recommended solution through case statement before diving into the real motto of this problem. So here I have written one query where I am selecting the sales date as it is required in the result column, and making one case statement where I am summing all the fruits where the fruits are apple minus summing all the fruits where fruits are orange and giving it as a diff from sales table and grouping them through sales rate. And since here order by is by date, so I'm giving as a order by date. Let us run this code and see the solution. See the result. It is matching with our desired result. Now let us back to the original motto of this topic. So as promised, now let us explore the solution through join with multiple condition. Here I have pasted this table two times, and let's say the first table is A and second table is O, and I am writing one query to join these two table to perform a self join. So as in our expected result, we need two column, that is sales date and difference between the apples sold and the orange sold. So I have selected the sales date from table A and sold number from table A minus sold number from table O, and I have given alias as a difference, and I am performing join on the date column. So sales date from A table and sales date from O table. But here I am not giving any condition. So now let us explore what output it is going to yield. Since we are performing join operation between two same table, hence we are calling it as a self join. But the nature of this join is a inner join. Hence it will return matching row from both table. In this case, when the cursor is at row of table 1, it will start scanning for match in table 2, and it will find that the first row of this table is matching with the first row of second table. And here the quantity sold number is 10, and here also the quantity sold number is 10. So it will list out the difference, and difference will going to come as a 0. Now it will start looking for second match, and it will find that the date of second table again matching with the first table. But here the sold quantity is 10, but here sold quantity is 8. Now the difference will come 10 minus 8, which is 2. Likewise, further if it is going to scan and it will not find any match from date 1. Now cursor will shift to row 2 of table 1 and it will start looking for match in table 2, and it will find that the first row is matching with the date column of first table. Similarly, here the quantity is 8, but here quantity is 10. That difference it is going to come minus 2. So you can see. Likewise, it will start looking for second row, and again here the quantity is 8, but same quantity is there 8. So the difference is going to come as a 0. Now the cursor will shift to row 3 of table and it will start looking for match in table 2, and it will find that it is matching with the table 2 row number 3, and here the quantity is 15 and here also the quantity is 15, so the difference it is going to come 15. Likewise, it will start looking for second match, and here also the quantity is 15 and quantity is 15, so the difference will come as a 0. This is how it is going to scan and list out the difference for each entry, and this is going to be the result of this query. But this is not a desired result which we are expecting from our output, and it is happening because we are not putting any condition, hence this result is coming. But how to achieve this result, let us see. So here everything is same except we are putting some condition on table 1 and table 2. In case of table 1, I am putting one condition that filter out those entry where the fruit is apple. So it is going to select the only apple entry rows like this one. And the table after filtering will look like something like this, which is having only the apple entry. Similarly, on table 2, I am putting one condition to filter out the rows where the fruit is orange. So it is going to ignore the apple entry and it will select only the orange entry. And table after filtering it is going to look like something this one. Now I am performing the join operation, and if you observe here, we are having distinct entry for each date. Suppose for the one date we are having one entry in the table 2. So in this case, if I am joining this two table, here the sold quantity is 10, and in this same date the orange sold quantity is 8. So the difference which is going to come, it is 2. Likewise, when the date is 2, the apple sold quantity is 15, but the orange sold quantity is also 15. So the difference is 0. Likewise, for the third date, the apple sold quantity is 20, but the orange sold quantity is 0. So the difference between 20 minus 0 is 0. In the fourth, we have sold quantity for apple is 15 and orange is 16. So 15 minus 16, it is going to come as a minus 1. So you got how the join with multiple condition can change the scenario of output, which earlier was like this weird output, and now it got to change the desired one. So hope the entire concept you got properly. Now let us run the same query in the IDE and look the proper solution. Here I have pasted same query which I have explained earlier. Now directly run this query and check the result for cross verifying the our result. So you got it is yielding same result as we have achieved. So hope this entire concept got clear to you. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and if you liked this video please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more such videos.